All right, this activity is called aerobic bowling, and I do this with kindergarten, first and second grade. We've got all the pins spread out on one end of the gym. We've got our line that we roll from here on the bowling carpets with the bowling balls. Their partner will start behind them, standing on one of the poly spots. And then we have their team's hoop down here at this end. So basically the object of the game is for partner pairs to work together to try and collect as many of those pins as they can. So they'll take turns. First person will roll the ball down towards the pins in an attempt to knock one over. If they knock it over, they go grab it. They bring the ball and the pin back. They give the ball to their partner. They take their pin and run it back here to the other end of the gym, set it inside their hula hoop, and then they return back to this spot. When their partner gets back, they will switch positions and then they'll get another turn to bowl. So if they miss and they don't hit any pins, they just go retrieve their ball and bring it back to their partner. If they knock down more than one pin, they're only allowed to collect one. So they have to set up any remaining pins that they've knocked over, take one back with them, and go add it to their hoop. So when the kids come in, I'll bring them over here and we'll kind of explain the setup. This is basically what it looks like. This is a full gym setup. We're obviously playing on a half a gym. So I think it will work out pretty well. We're gonna give it a try here in just a couple minutes with a first grade class.